Alright family, it's your big brother E-Red, and it's time for the safety corner. Let's cover the do's and the don'ts of drag racing. First, we're going to start with the do's. 1. Do your homework. Study up on drag racing and its history. Go to as many different types of drag races as possible to see what it actually looks like for yourself in person. TV has a way of making things appear easier than they really are. 2. Do talk to as many drag racers as possible. Find out what you're actually getting into with the motorsports of drag racing. 3. Once you start drag racing, do make sure you have the correct equipment for the speed and class that you're running in. 4. Do have fun, family. After all, that's what it's all about. Alright family, be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube so we can keep you up to speed on all the latest trends in autocross, restoration, resto mods, and the latest aftermarket equipment.